You are working on Windows PC and seeing the issue on some software. You are thinking to record and document all the steps so that you can explain later. There are situations in your life when someone wants to use your personal PC. You ask that person not to do any bad thing on my personal PC. He said yes, but you doubt him, so you decided to record and document all the steps. Let me show you how you can use the Windows utility PSR. There are multiple ways to open the PSR utility. First method is, you can open the utility by clicking on the Windows menu and type Step Recorder. It will show you the Step Recorder utility and you can click on it. The second method is, you can press Windows and R keys to open the Run menu. Then you can type the PSR. Then click OK, it will open the utility for you. This is a simple utility and has few buttons only. But there are two settings you need to look at. The first is recording location. And the second is the number of screenshots to store. You must make sure to set the number of screenshots at a sufficiently high level. A note of advice, set it to the maximum. After configuration, it's fairly simple to start by hitting the record button. It will start recording and you can minimize the utility. Now whatever activity you do will be recorded. Now I will do some activities. I clicked on the start button. I opened the browser and searched for something in Google. Then I opened the notepad and wrote something. I have done my activities. And I will stop the recording by clicking the Stop Recording button. It will show me the report. In this report, you get three options to see the details. I will click on the first option. It will show you all details one after another. We can also see the details as a slideshow. Now I will click the third option to see the additional recorded details. Now, I will save this report by clicking on the Save button and giving the file name. It will save that report that you can review later on, or you can send that to someone. Did you see how easy it is to record your computer activity and make a report without any third-party software? What are you waiting for? Just try it now.